வியூவர்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு பாக்கெட் சயின்ஸ் சேனல். இது உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் உங்கள் டவுட்ஸை கூட நீங்கள் கேட்கலாம். பெல் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணி அப்பப்போ புது வீடியோஸோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனை கூட நீங்கள் பெறலாம். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.
Hello viewers, welcome to this video. Please subscribe our channel Pocket Science, like and share our video, and please be in touch. Today we are going to see 21st question of 2019 A-Level Physics paper. The question says, consider the points A, B and C on two equipotential surfaces as shown in the figure. When a proton moves from A to B, the electric field does a work of 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule on it. Charge of an electron is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. The electric potential difference VAB, VBC and VCA respectively are, right? So guys, before going into the answers, we'll just have a look at the theory, right? So assume that there's a potential VA here and there's a potential VB here, right? Assume a particle which has a charge of Q is moving from A to B, right? So now we are going to write the equation for the work done, right? So the work, you know that work is equals to force into the distance it traveled, right? That's the main equation for work, right? So here the force, right? The force is given by the electric field between these two plates, right? So the force we can write that Q into E, right? Q into E will be the force acting on this charge due to this potential difference, right? So now we are going to write the equation for D, right? So W equals, right, Q. I'm going to take these two together, okay? So that is W equals Q into ED, right? We know an equation that says electric field E equals V over the distance D, right? V means the difference between these two, right? Which means we can write it as delta V, right? The difference of voltage divided by this distance, right? Assume that this distance is D, right? So E can be written as delta V over D. So E into D can be written as delta V. So our equation will be W equals Q into the potential change, right? So this is our equation for work done. We are going to work on this question using this equation. So this is our diagram that is given in the paper. So what they are saying is a charge, a proton, right? Proton moving from A to B, right? So we know the equation for work. Work is equals to the charge into difference in the voltage. So the work they have said that 3.2 10 to the power minus 19 joule, okay? The charge, you know that the charge of an electron, right? The charge of an electron is equals to a charge of a proton but in a minus charge, minus. So it will be 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and delta V we don't know, okay? So I'm taking delta V, okay? Delta V will be equals to, you can see this is double of this, so I can cut off and here it will become 2. So delta V will be 2 volts, right? So delta V, you know that delta V is the voltage difference between A and B. So it is V A B is equals to 2V, okay? Guys, look at the answers. All the other answers has the value for VAB is different. Only these two answers have 2, okay? So you can look at the question that A and C are in same potential line, right? Then the voltage at A and the voltage at C will be equal, right? So the difference of VAC, right? The difference also will be 0, right? Because these two are equal, so the difference will be 0, right? VCA should be 0, right? So VCA should be 0. Only the answer that consists VCA 0 is first one. Here you have 2, so this is wrong. So the answer will be first one, right? So that is a easy method to approach. So you don't have to do the calculation for other things. You can directly say that the answer will be first one. Okay, but due to explanation, we will be looking into the other answers also. We found that VAB is 2 volts, right? And also we know that these two are in same equipotential line. So the voltage at A and voltage at C will be equal. So the difference VCA will be equal to 0, right? That also you know. And the next one here, it is 2V, right? These two are in same equipotential line, so the voltage will be equal. So think about from B to C, right? So this is 2V coming A to B from B to C. Since these two are equal, it will be minus 2V because we are going in the other direction, right? So VBC should be equals to minus 2V, right? So the answer will be first one again. So guys, now I am going to tell you a small trick, right? When you think that you don't know anything about this question, right? You don't know anything about this question, but you somehow you are going to find out the answer, right? In case you don't know nothing, right? So just see at these answers, right? See at the final one, right? All four are 0, right? Only one has 2V, right? So that is a little bit confusing, right? Because all four has 0, only one has 2V, so that might not be possible, right? So I'm telling this only if you don't have any idea of the question, you can just guess like this, right? But you can't implement this in every questions. This is when you have no any idea about the question, right? So we have cut that since all the other four are 0 and this is 2V, right? So next see that all these three has 2 and just these two has 0.5. So the majority they have given is 2, right? So since the majority is 2, I am going to cut these two also, right? And the question says, right, this is A, this is B and C. They are asking that one from A to B, another one from B to C, right? One is coming up to down, so one must be in plus and one must be in minus, okay? One must be in plus and one must be in minus, right? So both are possible, one is in plus and one is in minus. The next one, they have said that the work done, observe that the work done is in a positive value, right? The work done is in a positive value, right? They have said that a proton is traveling, right? A proton has a positive charge, right? A proton has a positive charge, right? So a proton has a positive charge, right? And the work also in positive. Work in positive means you have pushed this proton here to here, right? So you know that when there is a, so assume this is a plus, this is minus. When you keep a proton here, right? When you keep a proton here, it will automatically go to minus because you know that plus and minus attract each other. So this will be automatically going. So you don't know, you don't need to do any work here, right? The proton will directly automatically attracted by the minus, so you don't have to do any work here. But here they have said that they have done a work, which means the volt difference here is lesser than here. Okay, you understand? The difference voltage here is lesser than here. So VA is lesser than VB, right? So since VA is lesser than VB, the difference VAB should be a positive value. The difference of VBC should be a negative value. So answer is first one. So we are going to talk about this paper continuously through our future videos from 1 to 50, and also the structure and the essay part. So keep in touch with the channel. You can subscribe and you can click on the bell button to get your notifications as soon as possible, so you can continue with the lesson frequently with us.